SolarX, guys, this is launching tomorrow. Um, and this is one that could actually change the landscape of mining for everyone. No longer is anyone going to have to use huge electricity costs to mine crypto. This can actually change the landscape of all mining in the future. Looks really, really strong. They've added a very strong CEO to SolarX. So I want to go through this and see where this can go. Before I get into it, though, guys, if you're new here and you don't know what the spreadsheet is, these are the first 26 coins that I did videos about on the channel. When I did the videos, I showed myself buying these coins. And if you'd have done the same, popped $100 into each one, you'd have gotten at these prices. If you'd have sat on those coins for about 16 months and then sold them, you sold at these prices, and these would have been your profits. So out of all 26, your total profit would have been 123 grand. In under a year and a half, that's outstanding. That's a house. Now, I don't share these on the coins I'm in on YouTube anymore. I do share them on my website, which is copymycrypto.com. So if you were to join today, you would see my entire portfolio. What I do is I share every coin I own with my members. Whenever I add to it, I tell my members what coin I'm going to add and the price I'm going to add it at. When I sell any of my holdings, I tell my members what coin I'm selling and at what price. This means all my members get in on coins at the same price, get out of coins at the same price, and they make the same profit, but they don't have to do any work at all. If you go onto the site, you'll see what my members have earned. You'll see what I've said in the past. Everything there is public record. You can verify it all. Remember this spreadsheet, these profits were in 18 months. You have less than that now. We're already in a bull cycle, and the markets have yet. And we've got this sort of time frame now where you've got a chance to buy cryptos before the market starts ripping. Because once it rips, if you've not got your portfolio at all, or if you've got crap coins in your portfolio, you're going to miss out on a ton of profit. So have a read of copymycrypto.com, see what my members have earned, and try the service out, guys. So SolarX. SolarX is launching tomorrow. And that's 1 p.m. UTC. This is changing the landscape of how mining works. This is tokenized crypto mining. So it's designed not only to revolutionize how individuals engage with mining rigs, but also the token will serve as the utility for the ecosystem by integrating the convenience of fractionalized mining investment with the reliability of blockchain. This is set to democratize access to crypto mining, making it accessible, profitable, and sustainable for a global audience. You got to remember when you're looking at the overall issues with mining, the mining issues are significant. The outlay of cost is enormous. There is a reason that Bitcoin has consistent selling pressure. One of those reasons is miners. The outlay in terms of finance, like the financial cost of mining, is unbelievable. So for miners to get their money back, they still need to sell Bitcoin. This is not the same. This is the world's first cryptocurrency miner powered by the sun. So you can get 50 hours mining with a single charge just by literally setting up your solar panel and getting it done. You generate passive income by mining it. You can mine during the day. This has stored electricity, so you can mine crypto around the clock, maximizing your earnings. Because there's no outlay other than the initial rig, there is less of a need to sell. The reduction in selling pressure for a coin like SolarX is going to be hugely significant. The setup's easy and user friendly. The rig, that is the example of the rig, that is the SolarX rig. So it's not noisy. You don't need to buy all the additional equipment like fans and stuff like that. And it uses stored battery power to mine at night without adding to your electricity costs. So again, huge improvement in the potential for all cryptocurrencies as well, because they could in theory go to SolarX and introduce the same frameworks, introduce the same setup to do this. And it will be it will allow projects to build not only on the layer 1 but also conduct mining operations within its framework. I am really bullish on this as a concept. I think this is, if we can change the way mining occurs, then in theory, the whole ecosystem improves. You also don't have all the whingy people talking about carbon footprint and everything else because you're not adding to the carbon footprint, quote unquote, because the mining rig in and of itself is solar powered. Uh, so the SolarX token can be used for the SolarX blockchain, the SolarX app, CloudX coin, CloudX device, the GridX coin, SolarX exchange, charging points for electric vehicles, charging points for e-bikes. There is a use case here that is enormous. And they've got a nice little burning mechanism here. So 10% of all cashed in tokens from miners are burnt on a quarterly basis. So it means that you've not got a huge surge in supply. So the token is going to be listed tomorrow on a centralized exchange and a DEX. So they have said this launches on May 24th. Like I said, 3 p.m. CET or 1 p.m. UTC on both centralized exchange and DEX platforms. And SolarX miners will be delivered worldwide with FedEx, ensuring you get the cutting edge mining devices swift and secure. So they've partnered up with FedEx. One thing that is worth noting as well is they have added to their team, and the addition is very positive. So they've announced Glenn Grant as the SolarX CEO. Previous positions that he's worked in include director of Kraken, Saxo Bank, Rosenthal, Collins, New York, and Minamina. He's also the co-founder of Sheer Markets. This is a very strong step in adding to your team with someone with a hell of a resume. Now, the SolarX chain will be Ethereum virtual machine compatible, which the vast majority of projects are currently built on. Will you need to build on the chain, or can you bridge into the protocol? Both can work, and you can build directly onto the chain or bridge in the Ethereum virtual machine compatible project. Can coins be mined on your protocol? Yes, of course. So you can either have your coins mined from a direct mint or have a liquidity pool of your existing tokens on chain. Can I sell your miners to my community to mine my tokens only? Of course. How secure is the SolarX chain? Very secure, as each miner acts as its own node. Are there projects looking to integrate on your chain already? Yes. Right? They've already been growing this. But again, for me, the very big plus, it's already on CoinMarketCap as well, by the way. The very big plus here from my perspective is the potential to format the way that everyone mines cryptocurrencies. This technology is theirs right now, but could they work in tandem to actually like improve the overall state of cryptocurrency mining globally? Hell yes, they can. Hell yes, they can. And for me, that looks really damn good. Um, yeah, I overall, I'm really bullish on this. When we actually take a look at total amount of tokens that are going to be out. Remember, you've got 10% of all cashed in tokens from miners are burnt on a quarterly basis. Um, but overall tokens that we're going to see across the ecosystem, you're going to have a total supply of 400 million tokens. The public valuation based on what they've got up and running already is 40 million. They've raised 5.6 million in seed funds and strategic investments and public and the what's it, the pre-sales and whatnot. So the strategic investments are there. Again, there's a linear investing period for all strategic and seed investors, so that's going to last a nice long time. So you're not going to see a huge dump. But again, the majority of the tokens are obviously allocated to mining, so it's going to be a nice slow release with 400 million tokens. Is this a unicorn? It very well could be. We are going to see a cryptocurrency that has the potential to revamp the way all cryptocurrency mining works. If we start seeing um, well-known proof of work coins coming to SolarX and trying to revamp technologically the way that their mining works. SolarX has so much more value than than you would realize. And from and would it be worth $1 billion if they're revamping the way all mining works? Yes, I would say. Yes, I would say. So this is what I'm really, really intrigued by. Very, very bullish. Like I said, arriving on DEXs and well, a DEX and a centralized exchange tomorrow. I would be looking at this to definitely have a nice little run. And is it a $1 billion coin? I think so, but it's got to have to. Obviously, we're going to want to see significant growth from in the early stages. You want to see that there are projects already ready to build. You also want to see that the mining rigs are being bought and a lot of nodes are getting set up early doors. If we're seeing evidence of that, this is one that could run. So watch the statistics on the amount of mining rigs that are being shipped worldwide. Watch the amount of nodes that are going live. That's going to be really strong evidence for the success of this project. But I think this is $1 billion project. I think this really does have the potential. But let me know what you guys think about this in the comments. Do you like the idea of revamping the way cryptocurrency mining works? Um, do you like the idea of mining without having, $1,000 electricity bill every month? Let me know in the comments down below. And guys, if you want to make the same profits as me in this bull cycle, you can do. All you have to do is join up at copymycrypto.com. That is the site I run where I share with my members every single coin I own. If you join today, you'd see my holdings. Whenever I add to my holdings, I let my members know the coin, the price I'm buying at. When I sell any of my holdings, I let my members know the coin I'm selling and the price I'm selling at. So there is no work for any of my members. They make the exact same profits because they're getting in on coins at the same price and they're getting out at the same price. If that sounds good to you, read the site. Have a look at what my members have earned. There are thousands of members on the site. And the reason for that is they're making great profit. And this year is going to be no different. So if you don't have a portfolio, if you're not confident in the portfolio you have, or frankly, if you just have bad coins in your portfolio, you're not going to make the profits in this bull cycle. You've got a window to sort that out. So now is the time to actually do something about it. Have a read of the site, see what it's all about, and try it out, guys. And that's it from me. Have a good day. Bye bye.